Okay, I am way outside the city, as you can see. I've built myself a little house that was recently just destroyed by giant monsters that were hitting it for 990 points a pop. Just demolished my house. I've just been rebuilding it now, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Recovering from disaster. I hate recovering from disaster. I also found out a little bit about that bug, the inventory bug, where stuff doesn't show up. Now, if you want to get rid of that bug, like when you're crafting stuff, apparently it still goes to your inventory, okay? But you just can't see it. It turns out if you leave stuff on your bar after you've used it and it blanks out on your bar, and you somehow log out and or replace it with another item without just removing it first, for some reason that hides what's in your inventory. You're actually making the items. It's just that you can't see them. So the best way to clear all that out is make a chest, transfer all of your inventory to it, and all the missing items will show up there. And then what you do is you drag the items that you can't see that keep disappearing into your hotbar. And after you get them in your hotbar, you can drag them from your hotbar to your inventory, and they will be visible once again. So that's how to get around that bug. So basically the only people that are going to know how to do that are the people that watch this channel, because I don't think anyone else has figured it out and posted it. And that's just the way that is. So now that I've done that, what I have to do is fix my shit. So we'll get right to it, because I'm a little upset that happened, to tell you the truth. Bugs the shit out of me. Oh well. I was in the process of trying to save up materials in case disaster hit, and disaster hit right as I was saving up the materials. Can you believe that? Oh, come on. No more fucking meteors. Really? Oh, there's monsters. And fucking-tastic. And I need someone's killing the trends. Good to know I got some powerful dudes around here, because being a noob can really, really, really suck. So that's how we're doing this. Okay, I'll put the door there, wall there. And then make sure you remove that stuff. And that will take care of that nasty, nasty, nasty bug. And now what we're going to do is this. We're going to do 2 of these. 2 of these. I hope to God that's not something beating down my fucking house again. Had enough of that. Wrecked my fire, they wrecked my house. Probably wrecked my back porch. Oh, the back porch is still in relatively good condition. I'll just have to replace a couple of the things. I can see it out there. All right. So now we're gonna roof the house, because, you know, God forbid I try and have something nice. Right? Alright, there we go. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put a loft upstairs. And that'll take care of that. I could also just put up a vent and have like light streaming on this, have indirect lighting, and that would be interesting, where I just have the middle and then put walls in the middle, you know. I could do that. I could do that. I wish they had stairs, man, because then I could make a little upstairs, you know, observatory area, and that would be really, really, really nice. But obviously not to be. All right, I'll get rid of these, and there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make one of these fancy ones too, a couple of those. Just to make the house look fancy from the outside. Eventually, if I get stairs to create like an upstairs attic, I can do that. All right, so we'll put this these there, that there, and finish building my damn house over again. All right, so there we are. Actually, do I want to put the... No, I'll put those there. Okay, so we got... Come on now, I just had the thing. There. Okay. So far, so good. And now for the fancy schmancy mancies. I guess we'll do 2 more fancy schmancy mancies. Make sure to remove those so I can see them when I craft them. 1 schmancy dancy. 2 schmancy dancies. Alright. There we go. I got my schmancy dancy houses. Nice. I'll build a loft eventually. Do that there. Fancy dancer. Y'all. Okay. Now I have two ways that I can do this. I can get really fancy and put some walls up there and have like indirect lighting. Yeah, there. And have indirect lighting. Here, let's see if it works. Huh? And then well, nope. It is probably not going to let me do that. Well, poo. I could probably do it if I had like a scaffolding. If I decided to put a floor there and then destroy the floor after, I could probably get like windows on the side. But instead I'll just do this. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. And fancy dancer. Too bad fucking 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 wide. Good. I made just enough ceiling tiles. No, ceiling. Motherfucking ceiling tiles. To make my house. And there we go. My beautiful yet functional house. Look how beautiful and functional this is. Wish I had a fireplace, but I guess, you know, things being what they are. Now, what I'm gonna do is create a loft. Right up there. If only I had stairs. Sadness. Actually, we could probably improvise stairs. As a matter of fact, hang on a second. First, let's put we'll put these up. I have an idea. I don't have stairs, but I can make a ramp. Rampy dampy. So this is what we're going to do. We don't have stairs. Don't have stairs. But we can make the next best thing. We can make the next best thing. I shall show you. Time to get a little... Oh, motherfucker. You know... Okay. So... Well, I don't have stairs. I have... the ability... Let's see if this works. Let's see if I can put one of these down and make a ramp. Can I make a ramp? Maybe? Let's find out. I can! I can make a ramp. Oh, god damn it, the fuck. Well then, people, you saw it here first. It's ramp time. Something fucked up. There it is. Oh, motherless bastard. I had to turn the other way. You know, I had it turned the other effing way. Well, fuck it, I'll do it on this side then. Damn thing. Or I'll do it over here. Have a nice ramp in the middle of the house. There we are. How about that? And then I'll make it like an entrance way. Alright. This is what we're going to do. We're going to grab more stuff. Why not? Or am I out of twine? What am I out of? We're about to find out in a second. I got all my wood. Let's see what's going on. What am I out of that I can't craft that? Out of... God damn it, I'm out of straw. Go get some straw. Straw is what I gotta go get. Well, shit. Fancy dancing. Okay, I'll put the stone there. I'll put the wall there. Put some wood over here. And I'll put that stuff there. And I'll eat some berries. And I have no flowers. And my focus is going to hell. So, shit. And that. Close that. So yeah, basically, I had to rebuild my effing house because of meteors. And I have a sneaking suspicion, call it a hunch, that my beautiful place, my beautiful area there, is going to be the site of many, many, many meteor strikes to come. Just call it a hunch. I wish monsters wouldn't just tear down your fucking house. You know, I wish you could have a house that would stand up to monsters. It would be so nice to have a house that would be able to stand up to monsters. You wouldn't have to rebuild it every 50 fucking seconds. Well, you know, that's just the way this is. I'd rather grass and bushes. Magic stuff. Right in there. No. Sadness. Much sadness. dick around with this cheese just so I can build my house. And eventually get up to a level where I can make a sleeping bag or something. So I can actually sleep Yes, I know I'm tired. I have a solution for that. It's called flowers. Oh yes. Field flowers. Look how pretty the house is in the distance, huh? That's my humble commode. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And there's an island out there too. You know, if I could swim without dying. Decor. Really? Harvesting flowers unlocks decor, huh? Well, alrighty then. Perfecto. I'm a regular jack of all trades. Gotta do this, and then I'm gonna have to grab some more stupid thread. Alright, so let's see. We're gonna make some jam. Delicious. And now I'm gonna eat the jam. Well, shit, I didn't want to craft 2 jams, but well, fuck. Alright, well then, I guess we're gonna eat my flowers. So everyone, nice deliciousness. Eat these apples too. And focus is going up from my meal of flowers. I'm a fucking lotus eater. And there we are. 37. Well, I'll wrap up here soon. I'm not sure if you guys want to watch me grind. I'll show you a couple things when I get back real quick so that you can do this on your own. I'll show you how to get charcoal, and I'll show you how to yay, that is what I am talking about. Get everything settled. Nice. Nice. That is what I'm talking about. So now I can start making that stuff. Let me just chop these bushes. Some more flowers for my focus. Because since I can't sleep yet, because I don't have a sleeping bag, I gotta do this stuff where I eat flowers and keep my focus up. And I get a bunch of grass too. You get EXP for turning grass into you get EXP for turning grass into straw. And this is how your sword can help you keep your focus up. See the focus going up? Now out of the red. Sleep? I don't need no freaking sleep. No, I just use my sword and eat flowers, man. Flowers with the sword. More flowers and more swords and swords and flowers and swords. Oh, my craftable sword broke. I'll just fix that right up. There we are. Oh shit. Get my sword. Ward. All of the world is a smorgasbord, gorgasbord. After the lights go down. Okay, look at my beautiful house. Chop this fucking thing, maybe? No? Alright. All of the world is a smorgasbord, gorgasbord. Alright. Look at how pretty this game is. See, I want to get a flying thing so I can go up there, maybe put a house up there. And nobody, and I mean nobody, will eat my house. That's what I'm talking about. So now, I'm going to look in my inventory, and I shall craft one of these. Oh, fuck. One of these. Apparently I already have. Well, it's EXP. Okay, so I go and I put that on my thingamany. This one over there. And this one over there. And I do that. Oh. You know, yeah, now I gotta deal with this fucking thing. Alright, demolish. Rat bastage. I'll make a side roof thing. Where is it? There it is. Make one of these and I'll lay it over, and then I can probably lay the other one down the right way without it fucking up. Let's try, shall we? Okay, so we're gonna get rid of that. Get rid of that. Put that. Do that. And voila. Not the best set of stairs, but serviceable. And so now that I got that done, this would be like a little lean-to storage area, and I can put a wall. Dozer! What are you doing? And I can put a wall. Dozer! Put a wall right there. So this is what I'm going to do. Take that, get rid of that so I don't get bugged. And then I do that. There we are. Look at that. And we have our loft. There it is. Little room. And I can do this and make a ceiling. Like that. And put that like that on the loft so that I have a nice little area. I might even be able to go around the top of the house. No, that wouldn't work. I would need more room for that. Oh well. Oh well. I could go on that way though, and then just do this. This is what I'll do. I'll make 2 more ceilings. There. And I will put those there and there. So now we have an upstairs that I can make into divide into rooms, right? So get rid of that, and then we're gonna make some walls. Still have some walls. Let's make another one. Okay. I put the walls like this. Look at this nifty little house. And then, where are my walls? There they are. Okay. Wall there. A wall there. A wall there. And a wall there. We need, and now, I get triangular piece. And I put that there. Look how nice that is. Yeah, and a little room in the room. And then I got multiple rooms here. I got 2 little rooms that I can do. Right in there. Look at that. Just like that. I could build a multi-layer place if I wanted to. So here would be like the living room. This would be a little room. So we'll put 2 walls like that. Too bad they didn't have walls that didn't have windows, you know. They just got the walls with windows, and that got kind of you know. So we'll get a wall. Let's see. So we got that there. We'll make a door frame for 3. 3 door frames. So you can put these one for what will be the treasure room, or even if I just wanted to make like a little, and one for bedroom, and one for the other bedroom, and then we put a thing right like that, right? And then we put a couple more walls right on the top of that. But you guys get the idea. And let's do, what do I need? I got that. I need that kind. So we'll get this kind. Fuck, wrong one. More to the wall. Where the fuck is it? No! God damn it, the fuck! Ah, alright. Let's see what we got. Alright. So we got, okay, we got the 3 walls. So we do what? A wall. A wall. A wall. One of these for under here. And a door. That. I'll do this. And that. And we'll put the door in first, right? There. Put it right now, right there. And then we'll put the triangle right there. And a room over here, right? And then we can go and do we could actually maybe do a stack of wall frame right on top of that, I'm betting. Call it a hunch. Call it a hunch. Ah, fuck it. Alright. Let's do a wall right there. There we go. And put that there. That goes over there. There. So now we have a multi-room dwelling. I'm gonna have to do something about that storage box. You know, because you step on it. It's, you know, kind of a pain in the ass. But for now, Too bad they couldn't let you pick stuff up and move it, you know? Do I have enough to actually craft another box? Yeah, I do. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. We are gonna take everything from the box. We're gonna demolish this box. Okay. I got shit back from it. Now it's doing that. And of course I am overburdened. Ball sack pain. Ball sack pain. My sack is in pain. Well, since I'm overburdened, I might as well fucking craft this thing. Oh, don't even fucking... No. No. It's gonna do this. Really? Okay, you're gonna see me do this shit again. When you're trapped and you can't move and you just created a fucking treasure chest and it bugs out on you like this, the best thing you can do, drop all. Because what happens is apparently that went into the fucking floor. God damn it, where's my fucking... where's the item cache? Where's the fucking item cache? I dropped all. It's around here somewhere. Well, isn't that fucking lovely? My item cache, when you usually drop everything, you get an item cache. And my item cache is gone. All my tools, all my shit. I had no choice but to drop the shit. And it's gone. So now I have this action going on. Cock sucky motherless bastard. Makes me so effing mad. And why is the durability gone to shit on this part of my house? So on top of this, I'm gonna have to, I gotta start all over again and then fucking repair. Ah! So frustrating. That was almost all done. Look at my house. Look at my house. My beautiful bungalow. That's floating in the water. Mostly. So nice. Isn't that a nice house? I think that's a nice house. Look how pretty. So, there it is. I've built a house, or rebuilt the house, and El Perfecto. It looks good. So I guess I will leave this because this video is run longer than I had expected. And in case anyone wants to watch through the whole thing, I wish you luck. You'll learn a lot of cool tricks through it. But there's my house. So I will see all of you next time.